In this video, we will go over how to set up and install the Vision Metron Basebar Hydration Mount Kit. This mounting kit allows you to mount the V-PR Aeria Hydration system to the Vision Metron Basebar, specifically designed for the V-PR. Begin by cleaning bolts with a mild degreaser. Then apply Loctite to all screw tips, covering no less than the first 5 threads. Begin by removing the stem cavity with a 5mm hex wrench. Then grab part C. Notice the 2 notches where the bolts will anchor. Tighten these down with a 3mm Allen wrench, then torque to 4 Nm. Next, we'll install part B. This will ensure the mount is anchored and secured. The importance of not pinching the wires with the internal anchor, as well as its position being flush with the inside bottom of the stem, is critical. Torque to 5 Nm. Then place stem cavity back into position by tightening with a 5mm hex wrench. Next, we'll install part A along with the hydration rail piece. Insert on top of the bar lining up with part C. Then install the hydration rail piece with a longer sided bolt. Tighten using the 3mm Allen wrench and make sure to torque to 5 Nm. Next, ensure the locking tabs of the interlocking cleat engage with the bottle properly. Test the bottle to be sure it is secure before riding with the system.